In this video, I will show you how to download a template from Envato Elements for free in a fully legal way. Before we start, I want to mention something important. If you are looking for high-quality website templates that are easy to use and come with strong support, Divi from Elegant Themes is one of the best options you can choose. Divi has a simple visual builder, many ready layouts, and it works for almost any type of website. If you ever feel limited by free templates or monthly freebies from other platforms, Divi can save you a lot of time. There is a link in the description where you can try Divi at a great price with a full refund guarantee. Now let us begin with the tutorial. Start by opening your browser. Go to the Envato Elements website. If you do not know the link, you can simply type Envato Elements free files into the search bar. After the page loads, you will see a section called Free Files of the Month. This is where Envato lists the items you can download without paying anything. The free items change every month, so it is a good idea to come back and check often. Sometimes you might find a theme, sometimes a video template, or sometimes a design asset that is very useful for your projects. Before you can download anything, you must have an Envato account. If you already have an account, make sure you are logged in. If you do not have one, click the Sign Up button and create a free account. You only need an email and a password. Without an account, the download button will not work. Once you are logged in, scroll through the free files list and find the item you want. For this tutorial, let us say you want to download a template that is currently available for free. Click on the item. This brings you to the item page where you can read details about the template. You can also look at the live preview button to see the design before you download it. This helps you understand how the template looks and what kind of project you can build with it. When you are ready, click the download button. Envato will ask you to license the item. Even though it is free, you still receive a legal license. After you confirm, the file will start downloading to your computer. When the download finishes, open the file. Most templates come in a compressed zip folder. Inside, you will find documentation, license information, and the main files you will use. The documentation explains how to set everything up step by step so you can follow it if you are new to using templates. This is the full process for downloading a free and legal template from Envato Elements. It is simple, safe, and a great way to discover useful items for your projects. But remember, these free items change every month, so check back regularly. Before we end the video, I want to remind you that if you want more freedom and control when creating your website, Divi from Elegant Themes is one of the strongest options available. It gives you a visual builder, powerful layout tools, and a large library of templates. If you often rely on freebies and want something stable and flexible for long-term use, Divi is a much better choice. There is a link in the description where you can try Divi at a great price with a 100% refund guarantee if you do not like it.